You spend hours in Elementor every day and your website still disappoints, right? Then give me 2 minutes. The same 2 minutes you spend waiting for 17 plugins to update, and I'll show you 3 things not to do in Elementor to finally build your dream website. First, stop skipping global styles. Instead, open Site Settings, set your brand colors and typography once, and use them everywhere. Pick Primary for headings, Text for body, Accent for links. Change it once, every page follows. Otherwise, you will be fixing font sizes, spacing, and headings over and over again. Second, stop leaving unused features active. Instead, go to Elementor, Settings, Features, and turn off what you do not need for less bloat, fewer bugs, and faster load time. While you're there, load Google Fonts locally for privacy and speed. Lastly, stop relying on default breakpoints. Default layouts often ignore laptops and large tablets. Instead, go to Site Settings, open Layout, and add the custom laptop breakpoint. Then refresh Elementor Cache and Sync Library to see the new breakpoint inside the editor. After adjusting the layout, you'll ship a website that looks good on the actual screens people use. These are 3 tiny tweaks, but they save you hours over time. If you're using my starter guide, check pages 17 to 27. It's all in there. So if you find these 3 quick tips useful, then now is the time to subscribe. Or watch this, where you learn what to do now to prepare for the new Elementor Editor v4.